Hey guys, DadTFP, and I'm with my best bud, Niagara TFP. And no, we're not going to show making chocolate chip cookies, even though those are delicious. We've got an amazing recipe. This is one you guys are going to want to try at home. It's called the 3-ingredient only to make the perfect fettuccine alfredo, and that's it. We need.
There's not even any fettuccine in there.
We need linguine. I'm using linguine for the noodle. Parmesan Reggiano from Italy. From Italy. That's right, folks. This isn't... What the heck? Oh my god, I didn't realize it was $16.99 a pound. Damn. Pretty pricey. This better be good. Yikes. And
Perfect.
Pure Irish butter. We're only going to use half of this. So we're going to use a whole pound of this, a lot of the cheese, probably about maybe 2 cups grated. I'm going to use this to grate it nice and fine so it's perfect. And then a stick of butter, which is half of this.
When I thought when you said there was only gonna be 3 ingredients, I thought the 3 ingredients were a bowl, the fettuccine, and a fork.
That's 3 ingredients. That's 3 ingredients to eat. This is to cook, and of course some salt in the water. So right now I got some water.
There's some salt.
There's some salt. So we got
Himalayan pink salt.
Nothing but the best for our family, right? So I'm gonna put some salt in the boiling water for the pasta.
And
get that to al dente. I'm gonna go ahead and let this boil.
How hot is that?
Huh?
How hot is that?
It's gonna get to boiling, which is 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius. And so, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and grate the Parmesan, get the pasta boiling, and then we'll come back. All right, look at that grated Parmesan cheese. Now we're gonna go ahead and dump the whole pound of pasta into our pasta water. And we're gonna boil it for 10 minutes. Make it perfect al dente. So we'll let it boil and we'll get right back. All right, pasta's all done. It looks
way more like fettuccine now.
That's better. All right, now we got some.
Before it looked like some normal spaghetti.
So over here we got some butter, and it's just lightly.
Is that the Irish butter?
Melted Irish butter. Nothing but the best for our family, right? Now we're gonna put this in here and stir it around and add some cheese. Whoops. And the secret is to add some of this awesome pasta water to make it nice and creamy. Whoops. So you can see here's our amazing...
Looks like a mountain.
Yeah, amazing mountain cheese.
Imagine if you dropped that.
Yeah, that would be very...
Very bad.
Don't forget, this is expensive. Nothing but the best 20-month aged Parmesan cheese from the old home country of Italy.
And actually, a year ago we went to Rome.
A year ago to the day almost, right?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. That's
actually,
it.
today we would go into Rome. The day we're recording this, the 19th of November.
Remember what the first
That's
awesome
one,
sight we saw in Rome?
I was talking about like the Trevi Fountain.
That's right. That was awesome.
Yeah, the day we're recording this is the one you since you first went to Rome.
Look, it's already looking pretty creamy.
Yesterday now we went to Switzerland.
Get some pasta water.
Pasta water.
That's what makes it nice and creamy.
So it's not just like regular water?
It's the water we used to make the pasta.
You're adding more pasta?
Yep. More pasta. Looks pretty good, huh? Now we're going to put all the rest of this amazing cheese, finely grated cheese. That's the key to a silky smooth fettuccine alfredo, DadTFP style.
What are you going to do with the other cheese? There's some other cheese back there.
I know, we want to see how it turns out. Maybe we might need to add some more to this, because maybe it isn't enough cheese.
I thought we were going to use that for another recipe.
Maybe.
One other.
See, it's actually pretty silky right now. And this is off heat, so not much heat going on here. Now we're going to add some more of this amazing pasta water. Get it nice and creamy. This is probably how they make fettuccine alfredo throughout the whole world. What do you think? This looks pretty good, right?
It's just better than store-bought cheese.
Oh,
Store-bought fettuccine.
I hope so. This is 20-month aged Parmesan cheese from Italy. Not from America, from Italy.
Actually, while we're getting the stuff, we were thinking of doing the American one. Was it better doing the Italy one?
I think so. I don't know. I think it looks pretty creamy. What do you think?
Yeah, very creamy.
Alright, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to make a little bowl. And then we're going to have...
We only have a big bowl.
Oh, we got a big bowl. I'm going to have my assistant take a bite and see if...
I'm not going to take a bite out of this. We're going to pause the video.
Alright, so as you can see, we added more cheese and more pasta water, and it's this beautiful, creamy texture. It looks amazing. We have a bowl right here. And so I'm going to take a bite off camera, of course. And based on how I sound, you'll know if it's good or not. Let's see. Oh, also I grated, put some fresh Parmesan on top. Mmm. Mamma mia. There you go. Awesome. Three item fettuccine alfredo by DadTFP and his bestie, Best Bud, Niagara TFP. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.